Hi, I'm Susan Brewer, and we are outside today after a weekend worth of storms. So all of us have some exterior maintenance anyway. So let's take a look at summer. First of all, in the winter time, we're really preparing a lot of the interior features of our house. In the summertime, we've got a brief period to make sure we can get everything ready so that we can enjoy the rest of the summer with our homes. First thing I'd encourage you to do is take a good walk around your house and kind of prioritize what are the most important things to get done now, middle summer, towards fall, so that you can get everything achieved to keep your house in the best maintenance condition that you can do. First of all, power washing. That you want to do when it's nice and warm out because you might get a little bit of that water back on you. Get out there, power wash your siding. Be careful, don't hit your windows. It can damage those. AC fins. We had a situation over the weekend when we were dealing with a property that really wasn't cooling off, and it was because the dryer vent outloads everything that is coming from the dryer vent right onto the AC unit. So really make sure that you clean out those fins, have a professional do it if you don't feel comfortable cleaning that, washing that down. Take a look at your tree branches. A lot of us have seen them up close over the weekend because we're still cleaning up debris. But look at that. If you've got a tree that's dying or has issues, get a professional out there and really take care of that. It can damage your car, your neighbor's house, your house, so on and so forth. Gutters, because so many of those leaves came down and are still coming down with the season. Let's make sure that we're cleaning up our gutters. It can cause water to end up in our basements because our gutters are filled with debris, leaves, junk. Even some of the roof shingle, you'll see some of that in your gutters. Make sure you take care of those. Cracks in the sidewalks and driveway can be safety issues. Repairing them before they get out of control can save you money in the long run. Brick, look for tuck pointing. Exterior maintenance on your house, which is any of the exposed woods. Make sure that your wood stays clean, painted, making sure that you're really kind of keep from getting that wood rot or those issues that can cause you long-term damage, but expensive damage as well. Handrails, when you're taking a look at your deck, when you're taking a look at your steps, your porches, make sure those are tight and safe. This is the time of year to fix those. You don't want to do it in the freezing cold when you absolutely have to, so do it now as a preventative measure. Exterior lighting, clean, freshly paint them, put new bulbs in them. You also want to look at your deck at this time of year. This is a time for painting and staining. So go ahead and do that staining. That will also help with the wood on your deck. You certainly don't want to have to replace a lot of that now with the cost of lumber. The last thing is your roof. We tend to not look up, but you need to be watching your roof for loose shingles, missing shingles. This can all cause a lot of interior damage if you're not maintaining your roof boots, the vents, the covers, all of those things. Sounds like you got a long list of things to check, but really a good walk around the house will help you keep the cost down on your maintenance, but also get through the summer season.